Long before Expedition Everest dominated Disney's Animal Kingdom skyline or the floating mountains of Pandora, the park's undisputed headliner sat tucked away in a corner of Dinoland, USA. Today, we're taking a look back at Countdown to Extinction, also known as Dinosaur, exploring how a high-stakes budget crisis birthed one of Disney's most terrifying experiences and why it's going extinct. And stay tuned to the end. I'll take you on one last ride. The story of this attraction is actually a story of compromise. Originally, the land we know as Dinoland was meant to be a secondary land to Beastly Kingdom, a massive area dedicated to mystical creatures like dragons and unicorns. However, the budget for Animal Kingdom began to tighten. The grand plans for Beastly Kingdom were shelved indefinitely. So yeah, the land that would have been the most interesting to guests was never built. This financial pivot caused a rift within the company. Several key Imagineers left Disney to join the team at Universal's Islands of Adventure, taking their concepts for mystical creatures and prehistoric thrills with them to help build Jurassic Park and The Lost Continent, which is now closed. Left with a gap in their park and a dwindling budget, Disney needed an e-ticket attraction that could be built fast and relatively cheap. The solution was a technological shortcut. Over at Disneyland, the Indiana Jones Adventure Ride had been a massive success using a revolutionary Enhanced Motion Vehicle, or EMV, system. By taking that exact track layout and the vehicle technology and skinning it with a prehistoric theme, Disney was able to deliver a world-class dark ride while saving millions in research and development. When the ride first debuted, it carried a much more ominous title, Countdown to Extinction. I love that name. If you prefer Countdown to Extinction over Dinosaur, hit that like button. If you visited during those first 2 years, you remember a somewhat different experience. It was darker, the audio was significantly louder, and the motion was notoriously more violent. It wasn't just a ride, it was a sensory assault on you, designed to make you feel the true terror of the Cretaceous period. This era was also marked by one of the most famous corporate partnerships in theme park history. From 1998 to 2008, McDonald's was the official sponsor of Dinoland USA. This wasn't just a logo on a sign. You could actually order Happy Meals inside the park at Restaurantosaurus. I miss having McDonald's French fries in the parks. Even today, a subtle nod to the Golden Arches remains. In the loading area, eagle-eyed fans can spot red, yellow, and white pipes labeled with the chemical formulas for ketchup, mustard, and mayonnaise. The shift from Countdown to Extinction to the name we know today, Dinosaur, happened in 2000. It was a move driven entirely by corporate synergy. Disney was releasing its big-budget animated feature, Dinosaur, and Michael Eisner wanted the ride to serve as a marketing vehicle for the film. To make the attraction more family-friendly for the movie's audience, Imagineers smoothed out the rougher movements of the Time Rovers. We're not sure how they did it because that's proprietary. And they brightened several scenes. Despite the corporate changes, one element remained the undisputed highlight of the experience. The pre-show with Dr. Grant Seeker, played by actor Wallace Langham, also known from the TV show CSI and Daddy Daycare, brought a manic, comedic energy to the role. His frantic facial expressions and unauthorized mission to bring back a dinosaur gave the ride its campy, high-stakes heart. Every fan has a favorite Seekerism, from his "boom, you're back with one additional passenger, extra large," to his triumphant "they're not gonna make it" line at the end. I always wondered if the extra large gag was in there because McDonald's sponsored the attraction. Remember, these were the days when McDonald's cashiers would ask you if you wanted to supersize your meal. But as the saying goes, all things must come to an end. With the official announcement of the Tropical Americas expansion, the sun is finally setting on the Dino Institute. In a bit of poetic irony, the ride system that was originally borrowed from Indiana Jones is being converted back to an Indiana Jones attraction. While we look forward to the next chapter of Animal Kingdom, there is a certain nostalgia for the chaotic, loud, and slightly weird era of Dinoland. The Time Rover may be heading for its final end of mission, but for those of us who went back in time looking for that dino, the memories will never truly be extinct. Join me now as we take one last ride on Dinosaur.
Quaint exhibits in the old wing. That's how dinosaurs have been presented to the public since the study of fossils began over 150 years ago. Today, that bare bones approach is about to become extinct. In a perfect blending of science and technology, the Dino Institute has created the Time Rover, an amazing vehicle that will literally transport you to the age of the dinosaurs. How? That's proprietary. But the result is a breathtaking journey through a prehistoric world where you will witness the most spectacular creatures to ever walk the earth. In a moment, you'll be going live to our control center for a comprehensive safety briefing, and then it's on to the tour that will convince you forever that the future is truly in the past.
Hello there. Welcome to our little trans-dimensional joyride, folks. I'm Dr. Seeker, your friendly controller, and a heck of a paleontologist, if I do say so myself. But let's not talk about me, let's talk about you, and how you can help me make history today with the Time Rover. It's like this. If I can bring you back from the Cretaceous period, it stands to reason that I can bring back a live dinosaur with you, and not just any dinosaur. Take a look at this guy. He's an iguanodon, and I'm certain that he is the key to understanding these magnificent creatures.
I tagged him with a locator during an unauthorized field trip. Otherwise, I'd be traveling with you. Right now, our dino should be about here, at the very end of the Cretaceous period. That's where you're going today.
I've arrived, it seems, just in time to correct a little misstatement.
Dr. Marsh.
That is impossibly close to the giant asteroid impact that destroyed most life forms on Earth. Our tours are designed to take you to the early Cretaceous period, and I can assure you that all time rovers have been securely locked on those coordinates.
That's right. See? Securely locked. Access denied.
Continue.
Of course. We were just talking about seatbelts. Plug them in, use them. It can get kind of choppy out there, so keep your hands and arms inside the vehicle at all times.
Flash photography? I wouldn't. It alters the homing signal, and that's not good. Oh, and one more thing. Those locked coordinates? We're in. Now, here's the drill. You follow the homing signal to the iguanodon, then I'll enlarge the transport field, and boom, you're back with one additional passenger extra large. And don't worry about that asteroid. You'll be in and out of there before it even breaks the atmosphere. Trust me, what could go wrong? Hey, it's me again. Remember, only you guys are going on this special mission, so don't tell anyone, okay?
No, the glasses.
10 years. Time travelers, place all loose items in the pouch in front of you, fasten your seatbelt, and remain seated.
When an asteroid hits. Let's roll! Okay, now, let's go get that dino. Computer, what are you tracking?
Styracosaurus.
Not our dino.
Warning, meteor shower in range.
Just little one.
Oleoramus. Hadrosaur. Raptor.
Time to get serious. Locked in autopilot on homing signal now! Hang on! I'm tracking a big dino on the scope. Could be ours. Computer, full stop. Identify.
Carnotaurus.
Definitely not our dino. Go, go, go! Computer. Slow and identify.
Sauropod.
Still not our dino, but at least this one's a vegetarian.
Pterodactyl.
Incoming! Abort! Abort!
Iguanodon.
Forget it! Get them out now!
Asteroid impact.
Brace yourself! They're not gonna make it! They're not gonna make it!
Mission accomplished.
You made it! I knew you.